How did I get into this business? Well, I've been a Florida boy all my life, growing up in the DeLand area. I've lived here through multiple hurricanes, including Andrew in 1992, the 2004 season with Charlie, Francis, Gene, and then Ivan, and then Hurricane Wilma the next year. In the past couple of years, we've had Matthew and then Irma. I can remember the firestorms of 1998 and the impact on the entire state of Florida. Also remember that Florida is ranked third in the nation, the number of number of tornadoes every year. We live in a place with great weather, beaches, and fantastic attractions. However, it has a history of many natural disasters. Anytime one of these happens, many homeowners and business owners find out the same thing. They didn't have enough insurance coverage on their property to make them whole again after the loss. Almost every time this happens, a property owner thought they had enough insurance coverage in order to completely rebuild their structure, only to find out from the insurance adjuster that they simply did not have enough insurance coverage. I've seen this affect the lives firsthand on families and businesses throughout the state. Families who did not have enough insurance coverage to rebuild and make them whole again after a catastrophe. We're not insurance agents. We don't sell insurance or recommend the types of insurance policies. What we do is inspect your property and report what the cost would be to rebuild the building, whether it's a home or commercial structure. We work very, very closely with insurance professionals and financial advisors to make sure that property owners have the correct amount of insurance coverage to protect their investment. It's important to make us a part of your team when you're insuring your property. Things that we're taking into consideration are not only the cost of rebuilding the structure, but also how much it would cost to actually remove all the debris and clean up the area after the loss. The process that we go through goes right down to the zip code level and looking at the cost of the materials and the labor. We even look at how accessible the property is in order to take into consideration getting in construction equipment and materials to the site. In years past, this service was available, but it was very pricey. Most people just couldn't afford to have it done. However, now, Expert Inspectors is able to offer complete replacement valuation inspections and reports for most homes and commercial properties for as cheap as $175.